Working hard, saving money, and living frugally will not make you rich. That is a middle-class survival strategy. The real question is this: what are you doing with every dollar that passes through your hands? There are many ways to become rich. One very popular approach today is to work hard, cut up your credit cards, save money, and live frugally. That is not my choice. That is not how I want to live. Another way to get rich is to marry someone for their money. That is also a very popular strategy. Many people do it, both men and women, even though most would never admit it. In reality, many people would not marry someone who was not making a lot of money. Money plays a role in relationships because it affects your health, your children's education, where you live, and your overall quality of life. Whether people like it or not, money matters. Another way to get rich is by being a crook. You can make a lot of money that way, but you are still a crook. As my rich dad used to say, it is much easier to make money outside of jail than inside it. I do not recommend that path either. The final way to become rich is by being generous and smart. When you look at an income statement and a balance sheet, you will see that every dollar that comes into your hands gives you a choice. That choice is entirely yours. If you use that dollar to buy another long-term liability, you are choosing the middle-class path, working harder while going deeper into debt. If you spend that money on consumption, like a new shirt or a new stereo, you are acting like a poor person because the money flows straight into the expense column and disappears. But if you use that dollar to acquire an asset, such as a business, real estate, or dividend-paying stocks, you are choosing to become rich. That is the point. The choice is in your hands every single day. Every morning when I wake up, I make that decision. You are making that decision too, every single day.